Thank you for choosing HSA for all your audiovisual storage needs. Today we will be demonstrating how to remove and reinstall your Rolltop Tambour for your HSA Rolltop desk. First, make sure you have the provided Allen wrench and a screwdriver available. Start by removing the upper unit. Instructions on how to remove an upper unit can be found in that particular video on HSA-TV. A link is in the description below. Next, remove the handles on your Rolltop Tambour by simply unscrewing the screws underneath the lead tambour. Next, remove the modesty panel if installed. Please see the modesty panel removal video for more information. A link is in the description below. On the back side of the desk, locate the stop blocks. Remove both stop blocks, but keep them nearby. For this job, it is recommended that you have 3 people available for the lifting of the desk and removal of the tambour. Simply tilt the desk forward and hold in place. Using 2 people, slowly roll the tambour down the back. Make sure to stay even during removal. Place the stop blocks under the back walls of the desk to slightly elevate if needed. Lift the desk and have 1 person hold in place. To reinstall, set the tambour at the back of the desk as shown. The other 2 will slowly insert the tambour into the groove and roll the tambour back up the desk. Be sure to keep this even. Replace the stop blocks on both sides of the desk. Once you replace the stop blocks and the handles, test your Rolltop Tambour to make sure it's gliding smoothly. Use the provided lubricant to lube the tracks if needed. Thank you for choosing HSA.